John, of course, Ashai had come in between, and I do remember back in 2008 when I met you, you were so enthusiastic about it.
I still was till the release.
Then what happened?
I stuck by the film. I'm very proud of it. I held on to the film till the day it released, and a lot of people in the trade actually turned around and said, "John, you're probably one of the few actors, or probably the only one we know in recent times who hold on to an old film and market it and go out there so aggressively, saying this film's his baby, and he wants to release it though the film is 3 to 4 years old." But I believe in Nagesh Kukunoor. I believed in the film, and I also believe that when a lot of people see this film on television at a later point of time, they'll say it's a beautiful film.
Okay. Well, every opinion counts.
Absolutely.
You know how Nagesh's associate Elahi Hiptullah described you to me? She said, he's hot and he's great looking and all of that, but at heart he's just a simple Bandra boy.
Yeah, totally.
In Bombay parlance, please explain to me what's a simple Bandra boy?
Bandra Boy is I'm a guy who roams around in my track pants, chappals, and a ganji on the roads in Bandra. If I don't take my gypsy out, I'll probably take an auto. People don't really crowd around you. You're just like one of the
You're
others.
telling me that every Bandra boy looks as good in his ganji as you do.
I'm sure there are a lot of handsome guys out there, Anna. I think we're just blessed and we're lucky to really.
Why the hell am I living in Delhi? I should move to Bandra.
Delhi boys are so smart.
Yeah, but anyway, you're the Bandra boy. Do proceed.
Yeah. So I just think we're just very comfortable in our being, and Bandra is probably one of the only places, Anna, where you see a lot of young girls roaming around at 3 in the morning, just walking on the street. There's something safe. The vibe about where I live is nice, touchwood, and I don't think that should change. So I'm just one of the many. So I can go and sit at a coffee shop, shake hands with people. People come up to me, but you want to oblige, and it's good fun. No one really clamors down onto you, so it's fun.
Okay,
And it's also the way Bandra boys speak also. What man? What are you doing, man? So it's that talk.
You talk like that, man.
Yeah, man.
But however, of course, there is a dichotomy because on the one hand, you describe yourself, and others do too, as a simple guy. But on the other hand, in a film like Little Zizou, okay, you had a small little role, but it was the fact that you're this hot guy, right?
Yeah.
That was very important to your cameo in the film,
Yeah.
right? Do you find people confused when they meet you first?
I actually want to find an answer to that question because I don't know it, Anna. When I go out there and I try and when people look at me, there's a sense of confusion, and I see it sometimes in their face also. When a woman walks up to me, she'd probably say, "You're hot," but at the same time, she finds it very easy to approach me. So there's a sense of accessibility that you have, which I love. And there's a sense of projection that I have, which I also like, which is it's a dichotomy, but they both coexist at the same time. And it's interesting. I enjoy it. I love this space because I love meeting people. I love chatting with them. I talk to people about them, not about me. And I like it when people come up and appreciate you for your being and the way you look, because who wouldn't like it?